Morning. Welcome to our tutorial on how to cast a piece of wood on the bandsaw. Before we get there are several safety requirements we must meet. The first aspect of safety we must take into consideration is hardware feet. This in case we drop any tools on our feet when in the workshop. The next aspect of safety is protective clothing. This is where I apply my lab coat. The next piece of protective clothing is goggles for the eyes. The final piece of protective clothing is our radar fenders. Now I'm ready for the workshop. Now I'm ready for the workshop. I need to find my tools for accurately marking out my work. It consists of a ruler for getting accurate dimensions, a set square for getting 90-degree angles, and my trusty pencil. Now I have my tools and my wood ready to mark out my bit of pine timber. First of all, I'm going to measure the whole distance of the material. This comes out at 150 millimeters. I'm going to cut this into 4 equal parts, so 150 divided by 4 gives me 37.5. I'm now going to mark this out with a very sharp pencil. Having marked this out with my 4 marks and a sharp pencil, I'm now going to use a tri-square to make some 90-degree angles to the timber. Now my timber is ready to use the bandsaw. Now with my marked piece of timber, I'm ready to set up the bandsaw. This is the on button, the off button, this is the brake. These are the guides here, and this is the guard from the bandsaw blade. First of all, I'm going to set the guard on the blade. You do this by unturning the catch here and lifting the guard. The height I'm looking for is just above the piece of timber. It's this bit here, and tighten it out. I'm now going to apply my guard to the machine. This is what it's on here, looks like this. I'm going to line up one piece of material, the blade. Tighten this up. And now I'm ready to bandsaw. Push my wood through you. Now I'm finished, I'm going to apply the brake.